Hey there guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to set up a custom cutscene in Bioshock. Now, for anyone who watched SGDQ 2016, if you watched the Bioshock run, you would have noticed there was some sort of Windows 10 update crash, but it really wasn't Windows 10 at all, which a lot of people were confused about. It's actually a custom cutscene, and I'm going to show you how to set that up. To get started with editing the cutscene, you're going to want to first figure out which cutscene you want to change. Now, to get to the folder with all the cutscenes, you're going to want to go to your Steam Games folder, wherever you have it on your computer, and go to your Steam Apps, Common, Bioshock, and then there is the Content folder, and in the Content folder is Bink Movies. Now, these are all in a .bik format, and I'm going to show you later how to convert to this. But if you have any kind of special media players such as VLC or MPHC, you will be able to open these. So the Windows 10 cutscene was actually replacing the Would You Kindly cutscene in the game. So in my case, I'm going to want to replace the Would You Kindly cutscene. And if you open it up, you'll be able to see how long it is by just kind of seeing the timestamp. So this is exactly 13 seconds long. So that's how long I need to make my video file. Now, I kind of conveniently already have the Windows 10 update video clip ready. It really just needs to be in a normal video format, such as a MP4, which this is. You can always just make one using Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas or whatever video software you have. Now, once you have your video file all ready to go, you're going to need to go to radgametools.com/bnkdown. I'll link it in the description. And on this page, you're going to want to download the Rad Video Tools and install that just like any ordinary program. Once you have Rad Tools set up, you can just search Rad Tools in your Windows toolbar, or you can also find the Bink and Smacker folder, and it will be in there, and it says Rad Video Tools, and open that up. Now you'll be prompted with something like this, and all you have to do is find your video file. Luckily, mine's already on my desktop. So click your file. You can play it through here, and then just click Bink it. Now in here, it's going to have the location, so you can browse to your location and save it there. And you don't really need to mess with any of these settings unless you really know what you're doing. Once you're ready to go, just press Bink. Going to start converting it, and now it's done. Now that it's done, all we have to do is rename this file whatever our original file we wanted to replace was. So in my case, I just want to replace Would You Kindly, so I'm just gonna copy the name, and I can delete this, and I can rename my Windows Update file and just drag it on over. And now it will replace the cutscene in the game. So let me switch over to Bioshock. Okay, so I already happen to have a save that's right at the point of the cutscene, but this is where the cutscene would play if you're doing a speed run. As you can see, it initiates the subtitles at the bottom randomly will show up. Sometimes they don't, and in the case of the run, they didn't show up, and then the cutscene just ended. That's how you replace the cutscenes. You can do the same thing with all the other cutscenes in the game. And you can also do it with like the endings. In fact, it even happens on the menus. Like this menu has a background to it, and you can replace the background. And that's pretty much it. And that's how it was done at SGDQ. I hope this helped you out, and feel free to like share any videos of like cool cutscenes you make. They can be really funny at times, so thanks for watching.